Hey there, it's Luan here, and this is a quick demo video of One Stop SEO. Okay, I will show you how this will help you to rank any website to the first page of Google, but most important, how you can launch a fully fledged SEO business with push buttons at ease. Okay, I will start off by saying that you can sell this service on Fiverr.com, Freelancer, Upwork, by cold email, whatever. In a very easy way, because the software will do all the hard work for you, the service, and all you need to do is collect the money. So first here, the first feature that is amazing, One Stop SEO comes with 44 SEO features that you can sell as service. So I will quickly analyze my website. All you need to do is click analyze, and this will check all the errors of this website and what's needed to improve on SEO. Okay, so this check title tag, meta description, meta keywords, headings. And the most cool thing about this, you can download, you can create a little PDF report to send for your clients, or to see what is missing, what I need to improve. Okay, so I will show you the PDF report here. It's beautiful, very well done, and it's easy to understand. So if you see here, you have the PDF report, review of luanpush.com, and this report is a review, and then they can see what is missing, and you can sell the service that they need to improve on their websites. Now back into the software here, not only that, you can do website auditor, that is the quick analyze we do here. Also, you can social stats spy tool. You have visitor analytics. You can create backlinks and sell backlinks. Okay, it's very easy. You just click backlink maker here. You put the domain name, your link, and click submit. It's all you do for create high quality backlinks. Then you have keyword research tool. This is a very cool feature where you can search for buyer keywords and easy to rank for. So like I put here weight loss, click submit, and this will instantly find the best keywords I rank for, or for my clients rank for. So weight loss clinic, weight loss pills, and I can instantly export all these keywords into a text file, so I can see the competition and all that cool stuff. Now I have two article here writer. This will create unique articles. It's very easy to do it. You just put your article here, click submit, and this will report you a unique article that you can use for SEO. Also, you have Article Spinner Pro. This instantly spine the articles. Comma separating tool. Remove duplicate lines. Article Density Analyzer. This is a very cool feature where you can analyze the density of keywords, so you can see, like, if I'm trying to rank for weight loss, I can see the density of this keyword on the article, so I can see if it's fully SEO optimized or not, and I can make the tweaks later. Then I can change text case, plagiarism checker. It's fully loaded with 44 features. It's the best SEO software up to date, and it's very easy to do it. Also, you can create your own voiceover. Okay, you just go to text to speech converter, and you put your text here, any text, click play, and then you can instantly download the voiceover file and sell this as well. Keyword density checker, keyword position checker, meta tags analyzer. You can instantly create meta tags, backlinks analyzer, total link counter, link status, Google index checker. You can generate sitemaps, that's very important for SEO, robots.txt, online ping website tool, search engine spider, Google cache checker, blacklist lookup. So this is for see if your domain is blacklisted for anything, and it's a very cool one. Okay, so you just see if your website's banned or blacklisted. So you can see this. Broken links finder, very important for SEO as well. So like thinking and find broken links for your clients and fix this for them. This you can sell a service as well. Most rank checker, listing checker, domain age, domain authority, page speed, page size, page authority, insights, Google malware, this is important as well. Some sites not even appears on Google rankings because they have malwares. Antivirus checker, see if the site is mobile optimized. Who is checked on my intro IP. You have all these 44 powerful features that you can sell a service, and you can use this for your own websites, to rank your own websites. It's very easy, it's very powerful. You can create backlinks, you can do the on-page optimization, or you can sell all these features as service on multiple sites, and you can launch your fully fledged online SEO business with this. So get your copy right now, and I see you inside.